Today we're going to be taking out the stock springs. We've got a 3.5-inch ready lift. We're going to be replacing the coils with the Carli 2.5. I think that's for your 2017 to 19 model F350s. This is a 2020 to 2022. So this should be technically a 3.5-inch lift. So what we'll do is take a quick measurement. The ready lift is from the top of our tire to the bottom of our fender. I want to also see what the compression is on this shock or spring. And with the Carli, we'll take a measurement and see what the compression is on those, how much they compress once they're installed and under load. Anyways, let's get out our tape measure. We'll take a quick measurement and then rip these springs out. And I also do have a puck, 1-inch puck for the bottom, just to take the rake out of the truck if we need it. Okay, so from the top of the tire to the bottom of, or the bottom of your fender, not the double lip, but to the bottom, is showing 10 3/4. So 10 3/4 from the top to the bottom of that fender. So let's see what our spring is. Okay, so we are showing 18.5 to the top of the puck, 15 inches is the height of that spring, compressed. So we'll take this out and see what it is once it's all out. That should give us a pretty good idea of how the truck's gonna sit. Okay, we'll try to do this with one hand. Might actually put the camera down. Okay, so there is the height of our Carli spring, uncompressed. We got 22.5. Okay, so the shocks are showing 19.5. Okay, so while I'm in here, I'm just gonna put these pucks in. The truck was doing a bit of a nosedive anyways, this way I don't have to take it apart, but we will show you the compression, and that's gonna give you the ride height because I measured off of this tab right there. So I can measure that, and then I'll measure the wheel height, but it'll give us a really good idea of what it actually is. Okay, so to remove these and install the puck for your 1-inch lift, you're just gonna buzz that top bolt off, and it's looking to be about a 3/4 18 mil, and so we'll whip that off and put our puck in, and it's that easy. Okay, so there it is installed. We're showing 18.5 there, and we're 11 3/4. I'm gonna check my measurements, but that is, I think the shock was 22.5, so we've compressed what, 4 inches? So roughly 4 inches of compression. We've got the Carli shocks on here now. We're just gonna do the backs, and then we're pretty much licked up here. And thanks for watching DNS Projects. If you wouldn't mind going down to that like and subscribe button. Okay, so there we are outside. As you can see, we've got all of our Carli springs in, Carli shocks, took it for a ride, let everything settle. I didn't have to move anything or align anything. Steering wheel is running perfect. So we're at 11.5, so we went up exactly 1 inch. So you could just literally throw this in there and be ready to go. I went with the Carli system because of the reviews on there. I did take it for a ride. My reviews on this particular setup, that's the ready lift with the upgraded Carli shocks and the Carli springs. Kits come with the Fox upgrades and, you know, different coils. You don't have to get the puck. So we've gotten rid of the puck and we've done Carli suspension. Because of the reviews on this stuff, I decided, you know what, let's try it out. And I'm gonna say night and day difference compared to just the pucks. Very happy with the setup. Maybe in the future we'll throw on one of the track bars. We'll wouldn't mind that. Okay, so there's our measurements. As you can see, the Carli measured 22.5 and the stock uncompressed was 19.5. Compressed, the Carli moved 4 inches and the stock moves about 4.5. Our wheel height to the bottom of the fender was 10.5, and it would have been the same had I not put in the little snowplow kit there, but I needed the extra inch to get rid of the rake in the truck. So I went with that, and it gave me 11.5 because of that 4-inch block that ReadyLift provides. You can also just go to Carli and they'll give you that 3 1/4 block and you'll have a perfect stance. Thanks for watching D&S Projects. If you wouldn't mind going down to that like and subscribe button.